This is just a quick speed video here showing you how to repair a Dewalt grinder, at least change the brushes. Typical problems with grinders are either the brushes, someone grinds the cord, or the switch itself goes bad. First thing I always check is the cord, then I'll go to the brushes, then I'll go to the switch. Usually you can tell right away if your grinder somewhat runs but sounds like crap. Go with the brushes. For a set of 2 brushes, you would expect to pay probably $5 to $7. Simple to do. Just Google your product. This will be the same for a drill, grinder, anything that's brushed. So just search for Dewalt DWE402 brush. You should be able to find them, as long as it's not some piece of crap or really old brush. So let me show you how to change these in under 5 minutes. Here we go. Alright, for tools, got a T20 Torx driver, pair of needle nose pliers, and a pick. Pick isn't absolutely necessary, but it makes it a little bit easier. So first, we're going to pop that back cover off. We're going to set it over there. We're going to pull these 3 screws out of here. We're going to pull that cover off, pull that cover off, pull the switch out. And right here is our first brush. So what I do is I pull this brush spring, put it out of the way, pull the brush terminal. These get a little stuck on there, and there's the old brush. Definitely done. Put the new brush in. Plug that on. Put the spring brush holder back down and go to the other side. Pull the brush terminal. Brush came out. New brush in. Connect the new brush. Put the new brush back in again. Put the spring brush holder back on. First put your trigger in. Goes down in there. Let's go there. Just goes on there like that. Goes on there like, make sure your cord strain relief is on there correctly. Put that there. Put your screws back in. Tighten those down. Put your cap back on correctly. And done. Contact. There you go. Only takes a few minutes and about $5 in parts to fix your brushed power tools. Thanks for watching.